here's some content that I don't know that anybody's gotten successfully to work, maybe because they didn't start with a large enough primary pump and a small enough secondary pump. Here's looking at you, Seth. All right, this is my 1/2-inch pump that you see in pictures on my eBay listings. It's my display pump. My other pump is doing ice collection at my other property. But let's see it run. I haven't tested it. You know, this is all dry still. So you'll find out with me. All right, so that's putting pressure into here. And now I can open this up. Well, here, we can shut that off for now because we have enough pressure built to run this. I don't know if it needs a large length of pipe there. Splashing a lot of water, hold on. Okay, as I suspected, I have it tilted over there so I'm not getting splashed because it's, 32 degrees out. It needs an amount of pipe in here. I'll see if I have stuff to get it together, but here's what it does. So there it's running on a little bit of pressure. But as soon as I put a little bit more pressure in here, that makes that go off. Well, you look at that. I had to add 20 feet of pipe here, but I have this ram pump getting jostled around quite a bit, running at 20 psi, going into this secondary ram pump, creating who knows how much pressure. I gotta put a pressure gauge on that. Okay, well there's proof that a 2-stage pump will work. Making a mess. Pressure is 40, so that's doubling what's coming out of the pump. But I feel like it could be better. And a function of that may be that the air tank in here is compressed quite a bit. I don't know. That would involve some more experimentation. Unfortunately, it's snowing out and I'm cold, and I did not come prepared for this experimentation today. But this will have to be revisited with maybe a different pump. I feel like there's enough water supply there that I could put like a 3/4 inch pump or maybe even a 1-inch pump on there just to see what we get. Also maybe an adjustable, if you put a stainless swing check valve on there so the flapper is heavier and it stays down longer. But I don't know how much of an effect gravity has at that rate. And here's a cool effect. So I have that off. The little pump is still hooked up, but when I turn this on, I didn't do it. All right, let's try this again. So that little pump is running on the air compressed in here. So it's an air-driven ram pump momentarily.